Hey guys, we're here with Jason from Dali Loudspeakers. Nice to meet you, Jason.
Pleasure.
Appreciate your time.
Thank you very much for coming by.
How's the show going for you? And
It's been a fantastic show. Incredible traffic. Really
Super
good to
busy,
finally
right?
be
It's
back.
like
Super
thousands.
busy. So happy to see all the faces again. We're really happy to be here.
yeah, it's been like a couple years for you guys as well.
It has been a couple of years since we've all been about in CEDIA, so it's great to touch base with everybody, and the traffic has gone well beyond our expectations.
That's awesome. So what new products do you have for us that you can tell us about?
I can show you a few new things in the Dali lineup. If you're unfamiliar with Dali, Dali is an acronym. It stands for Danish Audiophile Loudspeaker Industries. And a lot of the world knows the two powerhouses of speakers, which is basically North America and the UK. And they each have their specific sound. North American sound is kind of warm and powerful, and the British sound is a little sharper. As you see how Dali is marketed around the world, a lot of other countries proudly display that Danish flag right on top of the speaker. It's the Goldilocks of the speaker world. It fits right in between them. It's just right. Just the round amount of bass, just the round amount of highs, and people love it for that reason. Well, that's who Dali is, and I can walk you through a few of the new products. They are fairly new to North America, only been here a few years, so we've been trying to guide them on the North American needs of CI. So our previous giant flagship down here called the S280, an absolute beast and really nothing compares to it. However, it goes beyond 16-inch studs for North America. So here at this show, we're trying to show everybody how we're doing our best to make sure we're listening to the North American market. So if we pan over this way, we'll see their latest LCR, which as you see is substantially thinner. So as opposed to using some 12-inch drivers over there, this is 6, 7-inch drivers. A Dali trademark, as you'll see, is a oversized soft dome tweeter with a ribbon. The soft dome allows it to go lower in frequency, which helps with the dispersion of the high frequencies. And the ribbon just gives it that magical tickle that everybody likes for highs. Helps to just give that airiness. That's one of the new products. This is called the K60LP, about the depth of a good pan pizza if you ever go to Chicago. It's really designed to help overcome the challenges that a lot of installers face. It's a little humbling in the audio world. By the time we get into the room, well, the lighting guy has been there and the HVAC guy has been there, and suddenly it's not where I want to put the speaker, it's where the speaker has to go. So to overcome those challenges, we've created this. And despite its absolute shallow proportions, this little guy will drop down to 58 hertz. It will be the bar to which all others are compared. The other that we are showing here today in a passive format, just around the corner over here.
Yeah, this is unbelievable. It
This.
looks almost like Tiger Eye or something.
This is the undefeated, undisputed heavyweight champion of the world, Dali Kore. I'm about 5'8", 155 pounds. This guy weighs in at about 380. It's got a concrete base to eliminate any kind of resonance on that side. $110,000 a pair. We'll undoubtedly sell a few. We've already sold quite a few. But the great thing about when you do a project like this, when you can just throw money at it, is what you learn for the future, what you can bring down to the rest of the line. Every few years, every 5 or 7 years, Dali will do something like this, an incredible flagship, and you see where the rest of our development goes. Everything else through the line benefits. It's a trickle-down technology. It is just here to absolutely draw attention to the show. I think CI guys sometimes are underestimated. They always have a statement room where guys will still like to brag about their components, and that's where this guy fits in. So we're really happy to have it here, even in a passive format, but you can come and hear it October 21st in Toronto, where it'll be making its first live debut. And that's what we are showing here at CEDIA 2022.